I'm gonna throw up. Fuck, I'm gonna throw up. All right. We know how we do at the Real Grill. 1 raw quail egg. They say it's good for your libido. Not bad. What's going on, D-Real Grillers? I know it's been a minute, but we're back from a beautiful new location with more exquisite recipes. Today, we're going to do a stunning chicken breast stuffed with a really nice herb cream cheese. I hope you guys enjoy it. All right, so for our chicken Kiev, we have 7 simple ingredients: butter, cream cheese, salt, lemon zest, minced garlic, pepper, and parsley. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a whole block of cream cheese and a whole stick of softened butter. We're gonna mix, we're gonna put it in a bowl. We're gonna start mixing those just to get it working. You don't have to mix it all the way in, you just wanna start working it. Now we're gonna pour in the rest of our ingredients. So we have a tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of pepper, 3 minced garlic cloves, and the zest of 1 whole lemon. And we're gonna slowly begin to stir that. Now, if your buttering the cream cheese isn't soft enough, don't be afraid to throw in the microwave for like 5, maybe 10 seconds, but no more than 10 seconds, just to get a little more soft. And now, right here, we have about a half cup of parsley. We're only gonna put in about a half of it into our mix. So, about a half a cup of parsley. And then we're gonna mix that in as well. You have a nice fresh fragrance coming off of this from the lemon and the parsley. It smells amazing. So what we have here is a whole chicken breast. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our cream cheese stuffing and we're gonna stuff it inside the chicken breast using our piping bag. So what we did was we have removed the skin from the flesh so we can pipe underneath the skin, and we've made 2 incisions on either side of the breast to insert our piping bag so we can push the stuffing inside the meat so we get a full 360-degree flavoring. Now it's time to start stuffing it. All right, let's check the status of our coals. Perfect, they're nice and hot. So what we did was we put the coals on opposite ends of the grill so we can get a convection oven type effect on it. We don't want the chicken to have that much direct heat. We want to have a lot of indirect heat of 360 degrees around the chicken. So now we have that. We have our stuffed chicken breast. We're going to place it right smack dab in the middle. Oh yeah, nice hot grill. And we're going to close it. And we're going to come back and check in about 25 to 30 minutes to see how it's going. All right, so it's been about 20 minutes. So we're going to check it for the first time, see how we're doing. Oh yes, so we're getting that beautiful color on top. Excellent color, nice crust. Now it's important to note that we are cooking this entirely on the bone side. You want to cook it on the bone side down, because if you cook it on the skin has a lot of fat, and that means it's going to cook faster and you're going to burn the skin. So if you cook it on the bone, it cooks slower, and that way the whole chicken cooks at the same time. But that is a beautiful color. So we're checking about another 25 minutes to see how it's going. All right, so we got a total cooking time about 60 minutes, an hour. So let's check it out. And that's exactly what we want. That is the exact color that we want. So we're going to take this off right now. Very high. Woo! Beautiful color. All right. Let's take off our onion. This beautiful color is going to have a great smoke flavor. We're going to let this rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. And after it rests, we're going to cut it open. We're going to enjoy that flavor. All right, the moment I've been waiting for. Try this baby out. It's a very complex flavor. You have the smoke, the cream cheese, the parsley. This is the bomb. I can't wait for you guys to try this at home. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe today. That beautiful stuffed chicken breast with the herb cream cheese. We're going to make a point to shoot more videos. We want to keep the content coming up. And please don't forget to comment, leave your suggestions of what recipes you'd like us to try, or if you tried it, how'd you like it? And always remember, cheers, mi amigos.